Okay, so we have to figure out how to graph linear equations on a coordinate grid. So let's just go over real quickly. This coordinate, they're both positive, so positive x, positive y. This coordinate is positive x, negative y. This coordinate is negative x, negative y. And finally, the fourth quadrant is negative x, positive y. So that's how you know like where your point should fall. If they're both positive points, you know it's going to be here. It's positive, negative, here, negative, negative, here, negative, positive over here. So that kind of helps you keep track of the quadrants. So from Investigation 3, Distance Learning, Graphing Linear Equations, the first equation that we are given, I'm just going to write it here, hopefully we can still fit everything, is y equals 2x plus 3. So in this equation, the 2x, that indicates your slope, 2, and the plus 3 indicates your y-intercept. Y-intercept literally means where the point lands on the graph on the y-axis. Remember, that's your y-axis. So in this case, we have a 3. That means that I go to my y-axis, which is right here. I go to 1, 2, 3, and I put my first point there. Now I just have to use my slope to get more points. My slope is 2. That's a rise of 2 and a run of 1. So that means from here I go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Let's get rid of those. I can also go down 2 over 1. And now I have a line. That is all you have to do. I can show you one more. You can go over the second one. Number 2 says y equals negative 2x plus 3. Again, this value indicates my slope. It's a negative 2. This value indicates my y-intercept, which is where on the y-axis I place my first point. It is, again, 3. So I go up 3, and I put my first point. Now, my slope in this one is negative 2. So rise over run, but it's negative. So I have to go down. I'm going to be going down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. And then my line is going to be pointing into that negatively. That's not a good way to describe it, honestly. It's not really pointing, but it's a downward trend. Okay, now you should be able to try the last two on your own. Make sure that you label each line or use a different color since you're doing it on paper, so Ms. Schmiel knows which line goes with which equation. Okay, hope that helps. Bye.